What made me decide dual enrollment at Triton was to actually just explore my options. I like working with my hands, so I thought it would be a good way to try something new. And it's kind of cool to get to go to college half the day and weld. Most people don't get to do that.
I thought it was a good opportunity to learn more. I like being a really hands-on guy with working and everything like that, and I really thought that this could really be a really good career for me in the long run. You get to meet new people from different schools. College is a good experience also. You get to experience new things and see new things also.
It's not just welding, it's math and a bunch of other things you have to do before you can even weld.
Transportation to Triton is quite easy when it comes to the benefits. Triton allows you to sign up for a program, and it's called WorkNet, something that Triton uses to help their students. In WorkNet, you're allowed to gain access to having transportation money, so that's in gas money. And then for also taking the class with WorkNet, you're paid for the hours that you spend here taking that class.
Since we're getting our welding certificate, it's going to be easier for us to say if we want to go to a union. It just helps us. It's another thing on our resume that's they know that we know what we're doing. For me personally, I don't know exactly what I want to do. I know a couple fields I want to go into. I know I want to stick with trades, but this welding certificate is kind of showing me that I kind of don't want to strictly do welding. I want to keep that in my career, but not be a welder.
Balancing it is fun. But it's also a challenge because it's challenging. The homework over here is harder, so you have to be prepared. You have to take notes in class. You have to just put all attention on welding.
Well, my teacher here, she expects a lot out of us, which is good.
I've been able to balance everything out with school, even football also, and welding over here also. So I just take it step by step, each day.
My math teacher, Mr. Kirby, he knows I'm doing this, and he does help me with some of my homework sometimes, but because he knows I'm doing that to try to get a career out of it. So it's nice to have the support from other teachers.
RB gives me the materials and transportation, and then Triton gives me the work experience and the education to take these massive trade offers from my teachers.
You get something out of it that could help you for your career. Like we're getting our welding certificate at the end of the year, and there's so many career choices that involve welding.
With the support here from teachers, they're going to set you up with jobs. They have connections with people, and you could definitely go somewhere if you really want to do something.
You have to really dedicate yourself to welding because it's an art. Later we're going to be better welders. We're going to have more experience, and we're going to just look back at these moments that we have with our friends that we've made along the way.